Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at the Francis's residence in McDonough. I'm gonna go ahead and remove one of these damaged shingles on the right facing slope. I'm gonna be replacing it with a new shingle. So I'm gonna let you guys follow along with me. Set the phone down for you guys. Of course, here's the damaged shingle that I am removing. I believe the break in the shingle's right there, so it's this tab, and that tab. Alrighty, guys, put this down and angle you guys up. All right. Pretty sure. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Mark it for you. Get some chalk out. Alrighty, guys. These nails are a little rusted. Taking a little bit longer to come out. This nail is pretty flush. Alright, guys, this nail right here was overdriven. Took a little bit longer to get that one out. The other nails have been fine. I think that should do it. Yep. Alrighty, guys, now we're gonna put the new shingle in. guys. Got the new shingle in. Here's the new shingle in, guys. As you can see, these shingles are unaffected right here. If I rub my hand across these, again, still unaffected. Now, these are the shingles that we just repaired. If I lightly move my hand, you can see the loose granules coming off. You can see the creasing in all of the corners. You can see, sorry, the shadow line is there. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys so you guys can see it a little better and take some photos. Thank you for your consideration.